the corner joint. So with the help of 45 GSM, you have to prepare a angle fillet. Okay. So to make that angle fillet, you have to prepare. See what happens in the terrace area is too much hot. Okay. Some people or good contractors, he will take 1 bucket of water and 1 bucket of chemical. During application, he starts from the corner, this area. Okay. And he will saturate the water. Excess water he will remove with the waste flow and start applying the chemical. Clear? Because the temperature is around more. If you start from 9:30, 10 o'clock. So always coating should be applied in the early morning and stop in the 10:30 to 11 is the better as per the condition of the air, the atmospheric temperature. Clear? Ramesh, waste flow दे दो जल्दी. Two components you have to mix it and apply. As you see the so much of bubbles or the even in the lump formation will be there. Okay? You have to mix it, squeeze the brush properly and apply. Corner, first you have to apply in the corner. ज़्यादा डालो cementitious is a problem in that when you start applying the surface will look very wet, but when you touch it, it will dry. Okay, the surface will look little bit damp or wet, but when you touch with the finger, you will feel the tackiness. But actually, if you put the mesh, it will dry. So before drying the coating, you have to put the fiber mesh. Time is very short. Clear to everyone, please. If you apply 2 to 3 times, no problem. But apply properly. Any type of coating, detailing is a must. Okay, without detailing, if you are not doing properly, whichever the person, whoever the person is not expert in water coating, first you have to learn the detailing. Okay, detailing means you have done the fiber mesh, corner joint, angle fillet. Where you start the job, you start the job from the corner, detailing, angle fillet you have done. When it comes to the drain outlet, when it comes to the drain outlet, terrace area, that time your pipe will be like this. Sure?
Yes.
Your pipe will make it like this. Okay. First I will take the diameter and I will make it. Please sir, can you just hold? I will make 50%. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is flower outside. If I am making flat inside, pencil. Okay. My all things should be pattern should be outside. Clear to everyone or confusion? If I am doing vertical, petals are outside. If I am doing horizontal, your cover should be inside. I am putting inside the pipe. Okay. I am putting inside the pipe. I am putting inside the pipe, and my petals are outside like this. So you have to go like this, and you have to outside. थोड़ा बड़ा है ना इसके लिए. Six steps. Joint up also. Joint up is very common. Now you understood, no? Otherwise I will just think that there is a pipe. Okay? I will put it like this.
Like after having the pipe inside, we have to make sure this is the
This is
vessel.
the application.
Okay.
This pipe should be
Pipe should be inside.
Inside.
Okay, this is a pipe actually.
Okay.
The drain pipe like. Everyone understood, please?
Yeah, yeah, no worries.
Clear to everyone? Inside and it looks like this flower. It looks like this. Okay, it's a drain pipe. Inside the pipe you have to apply and flower has to come. Okay, double protection you need this one. Okay, this is also very important. If I am putting first application, everything, filling up the joints, I will apply this one. Clear to everyone? Send it down. Okay? It depends on the pipe diameter. So what is the whole purpose of it? Why we have to apply this one? Why we are doing this one? Between the drain pipe. Why? Because tar and tar or bituminous, which basically is a byproduct of diesel. It is a byproduct of bituminous materials or byproduct of diesel. Diesel. Okay. And there are some materials like dambar. In layman language they used to say dambar.
Dambar?
छोड़ दीजिए उसको फेंक दीजिए सर नया ले लो. Dambar they use. They say in the dambar road construction they will hot applied bituminous
tar.
Hot applied bituminous is a very scientific word. In the layman language, sir, dambar we are applying. If you talk in the olden days, on the terrace also they used to hot apply it dambar लगा दिया घर पे ऐसा. And even we are putting a bituminous or coal tar. They are all carcinogenic. Carcinogenic means inhaling of this material or the smell you will get a cancer. This is a polymerized and systematically has been done. It is not a carcinogenic. Okay. Why they have been coal tar and the tar has been reduced in India? Because of their carcinogenic. This is polymerized, completely polymerized, and it is a very smooth and easy to apply. It is not a carcinogenic. Okay, it is a single component polymer modified bituminous material. That is the terminology. It has to be applied on DPC, damp proof course. Okay, by brush or by roller. Normally, if the client is willing to do this type of coating, it is well and good, so that we can avoid the rising water dampness or the efflorescence inside the wall of the building or inside the wall of the where the downstairs the room, children's room or bedroom they do normally do because of the construction plan itself, so that they can minimize the dampness in the wall, internal wall, because we are protecting from the outside. Clear? Very simple material. It looks very hard and everything. It is very simple material. Your hand, okay? This is an infection, polyuria. Your what eyes will become this much big. Please don't touch, okay? Gloves, without gloves, never using. It is very dangerous, sir. Okay? It will react immediately. Podium area. Large podium area. Huge. Okay? Epoxy 16D is a primer. After top of this epoxy 16D, we are doing a 270I polyurethane coating. Tomorrow. Now I will just show you the primer application, and we will do the primer application. We will do
Epoxy 16D.
primer. Sir, if it is, I told you it is got a podium of around 10,000 square meter area, not square feet. Okay.
Also you can use, sir.
Huh?
Also you can use.
Very, very precious job. Podium I am telling. Okay, if you are making a 5,000 square meter area, 1,000 square feet area, you have to pour it and roller. You will use only brush in the corner. Okay, by brush it is very difficult. Otherwise, you need a towel.
ஸோ இதுக்கு வந்து சில ப்ரிகாஷன்ஸ் எடுக்கணும். மாய்ஸ்சரில் அப்ளை பண்ணக்கூடாது.
It should be free from moisture, dust, uneven, undulation, airline crack.
சர்ஃபேஸில் அப்ளை
Okay.
காங்கிரீட் மட்டும்தான்.
And it is a irritate, sir. Normally, I will be irritating because of heat.
இன்னொன்று காங்கிரீட் வந்து ரொம்ப போரஸாக இருந்தால் 2 கோட் போகிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். கண்டம்ஸ் அதிகமாக வச்சு அப்ளை
Be
பண்ணணும்.
careful, my friend. Okay. Not like general material. It is a different material. Wait.
இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு டாய்லெட் பண்ண கம்மியாக இருக்கும். காற்றுல வெஸ்டேஜ்.
இப்போ ப்ரைமர் பண்ணிட்டு மெயின் கோட்டை நாளைக்கு போடுவாங்க.
ஆமாம்.
அப்ளை பண்ணுறது
அவ்வளோ ஒரு
I've done the epoxy 16D as a primer. Make sure every primer has to be applied in the unit, not in the morning, because whatever the contaminated or the site dust, some carpentry people or civil work with contaminated sand, fine powder, okay, it will stick to the 16D. It is a PU solvent-based primer, and it is very adhesion in nature. So always this type of bigger area they do the रोलर से करें. इससे भी कर सकता है, इससे भी बता देंगे. बड़ा एरिया पे है ना, आप उसको स्प्रेड पे कर सकते हैं.